How to make your breast bigger in a week. A lot of women spend thousands of dollars just to enhance the size of their breasts. But there is no need to undergo breast enhancement surgery if you can make your breasts bigger using natural methods. Strictly speaking, making your breasts bigger requires more than a week of work. There is no surefire way on how to make your breast bigger in a week. However, by following the tips outlined here, you can increase the size of your breasts faster in a matter of weeks or months. 1. Exercise. Just as exercise can make your muscles bigger, some exercises can also enhance the size of your breasts. After all, your chest is made up of pectoral muscles that also grow bigger through exercise. One exercise that you can do is the chest press, which specifically targets your pectoral muscles. To do this exercise, lie down on the exercise mat and grab a weight in each hand. Bend your knees with your feet flat on the mat to contract your abdominal muscles while exercising. Raise your hands over your shoulders, and then lower your arms slowly until your elbows touch the floor. Repeat the whole thing for about 12 times and increase the repetitions as you progress and become stronger every day. Other exercises that you can do include chest flies and push-ups. 2. Eat more protein. Including more protein in your diet can help build muscles and eventually make your breasts grow larger. Some protein-rich foods that you can include in your diet are eggs, lean fish, chicken, and nuts. Also cut out processed food and fast foods and replace them with water, vitamins, and minerals. 3. Massage your breasts. Although more scientific proof is needed to prove the effects of massage on the breasts, many women claim that simply massaging their breasts contributed to their increased sizes. You can do this every day and night in order to stimulate the tissues in your breasts. 4. Take birth control pills. One of the side effects of birth control pills is breast enlargement, since these pills are packed with the hormone estrogen, which can cause a slight gain in weight, hence also making your boobs bigger. That being said, you should also try to gain more weight if you are underweight to begin with. Breasts are basically made of fatty adipose tissues, so it only follows that your boobs will become larger as you also gain weight. However, instead of eating more fatty foods, you can substitute them with calorie-dense snacks that promote healthy weight gain, like cheese, peanut butter, nuts, granola, and fruit pies. Avoid processed foods, as these will result in unhealthy weight gain. 5. Try some breast enhancement herbs. Some natural herbs that are thought to have breast enhancement properties are marshmallow root and flaxseed. But before you take these herbs, make sure that you consult your doctor first, because these herbs might interfere with any medications that you are currently taking. 6. Try some breast creams. You can find many breast enhancement creams on the market these days, but be careful because you might encounter scams. Opt for natural herbal creams that can tighten, lift, and firm your breasts. These will not increase that size of your breasts, but they can make them appear larger than before. Check out customer reviews of the product first to see if it is effective or not. Learning how to make your breast bigger in a week is hard, but you can definitely make it happen if you give it more time. Be patient and waiting for results, especially if you are an adolescent. Your breasts will grow naturally as puberty happens, so do not rush it. Visit BillyHealth.com to know more about how to make your breast bigger in a week.